Hi guys, we have something new. Good. And here's my old marker. Let's solve this together. Wait, let me crumble this up. Okay, I'm done. Now let's color it by color. Okay. Okay, back in a minute. Okay, making progress. So far, one done. Okay, build back in 1 minute. Two so far. Don't ask why they're all gone. Guys, I have still a lot more here. By the way, let me show you. Ignore that. That's for the holding for the phone. Papu one. Ignore that. Okay, almost done. I will show you. By the way, if you are done, I will show you my sketches. Okay, let me finish this for a second. Okay, I'm done. I will show you my sketches. Just wait in a bit. First one. Turn off your brightness. By the way, I do not know why do I love jellyfishes, drawing jellyfishes. That's all. By the way, I'll show you something. This is yellow if you can see. Blue, blue, then green, then red. I haven't used like yellow and green. Also, blue. Let's draw something. Wait, I will draw another jellyfish. I'm done. You know why I want to ask? I always pause the video so it can't be that long. So bye. So look, I'm done with it.